You have a large database like this, say of 20,000 employees or more, and you want to find out birthday of all the employees falling on a particular date at any point of time, you can work the smart way. You can put the birthday as on a particular date, say 6/10/2024, and we can use a function which is if. We can use the logical function and say the month of the birthday of the C2 is equal to month of today. Over here we can do an F and F4 if these are same, and the day of birthday, that is C2, is equal to date of today is same, then we can write HBD stands for happy birthday or not yet, like this, and we can close the bracket. We will get like this, and if I copy this, so I will be getting like this. So now what I need to do is I got the birthday HBD on these two employees. So what I can do is I can copy this, and I can put a data filter, and on filter I can do, say, just HBD. So these are the employees who have got. Say if I come tomorrow and I put in 710 and press an enter, and then I reapply the filter. So this is the employee having birthday on 710. So this is the way how I can do the smart way without doing anything. I can change the date, apply, reapply the filter. I will get the employees having a birthday on a particular day. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and share the channel. Thank you so much.